Hi, I'm Sara. My sister and I own a couple of small businesses, and we had a huge problem spending hours cleaning up credit card data for our taxes and regular bookkeeping. Now, with Badbank, we've cut our manual work to minutes and basically reduced our costs of doing that manual work from $1.70 per transaction to just 5 cents. I never thought our small business would be using AI, but we are.
If AI Sarah's problem sounds familiar, here's how Badbank can help you save significant time and money as you get your financial PDFs cleaned up, combined, and ready for doing your taxes or regular accounting. Just upload your bank and credit card statements and let our AI handle the rest. In seconds, Badbank extracts, cleans, and standardizes payee names and reconciles each statement. Imagine how much longer it takes a bookkeeper to clean up each of these lines by hand and what that costs you. Badbank also gives you cleaned up and reconciled output files ready for import into any accounting software like QuickBooks. Humans have to reconcile and look for lost and duplicated transactions manually, again, costing you money. Badbank also combines multiple statements into one file in seconds. Humans can't do that. Watch this. I just ran 6 checking account statements, but I can run up to 48 monthly statements in the same group. When I export this group, you can see all the different subfolders. For example, there is one for QuickBooks upload files, and one for all 6 of the individual statements CSV files for Excel. But here at the top is a CSV file with all 6 of the monthly statements transactions combined in one file. You can see how all the payee names have been cleaned up, and here I've highlighted the different months and the reconciliation details for each month. If there is an error, you can easily find it. Again, if you have to pay for this to be done by a human, it's a lot more than 5 cents a transaction. Badbank has more advanced features, but at minimum, our AI can dramatically reduce your costs every month as you take control of your financial data. Your data's security is guaranteed with DigiCert validation, and we never sell or misuse your information. Best of all, you can start with the personal subscription tier for free at Badbank.